Hey riders! Check out the MoKitDora 12-inch handlebar extended clutch throttle cables and brake line kit designed for 2018 and newer Harley Softail models without abs. This kit fits Breakout, Deluxe, Fat Bob, Fat Boy, Street Bob, Sport Glide, Slim, and Low Rider models perfectly. It extends your stock cables for taller handlebars, saving you time and hassle during installation. The clutch cable delivers smooth shifting while the brake line enhances your ride's flexibility and safety. Made from durable black vinyl, these cables resist extreme heat and sunlight for long-lasting performance. The plug-and-play CAN bus wiring ensures quick, seamless connections to your bike's system. With precise compatibility and 24/7 customer support, this kit functions flawlessly as an integral part of your Harley. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.